Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the X-Men Complete Collection. I bought this off Amazon actually, and it normally retails, like the MSRP is $200. Amazon normally has it around $150, and I happened to score it on a deal from a third-party seller for $40, and then I had to pay shipping for it. But that's an incredible deal considering you get all 6 X-Men movies, Wolverine Origins, the Wolverine, and Deadpool, all on Blu-ray and digital. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Looks like it's got some tape to hold it together here, so everything doesn't slide around in the packaging. And we'll start with the X-Men. Alright, it looks like we can take this off. Normally they have like a little bit of glue, so I'm going to be careful here. See, I'll have to get to work removing that later. But anyways, this is pretty heavy. Feels like it'll be made of quality materials or have a lot of materials inside of it. So you got the strong cardboard slipcover here for the digibook. And inside we have my digital code, which I'm going to hide from you guys. And here is the movies. So it looks like each page has the film information and the disc on the right here with a cover photo on the left. Flipping through, we got X-Men 2. It's pretty neat how they did that. Each disc looks like they have a different color theme X going across it. I really like that kind of packaging style. There's the Last Stand, Blue X, or I guess darker blue X. Here's First Class, really good movie here, and that's with the yellow X. Got Days of Future Past here, amazing sequel to the prequels. And it's a red X. And then we're on to Apocalypse, which was okay. I think it was the weakest of the prequel trilogy. And that is another shade of blue X. And then I think we got one more, and this looks like a cover photo with all of the X-Men characters, it looks like. Which that's a really cool shot actually. Alright, that's probably the coolest part of the video here. I'm going to set that off to the side now. And next up we got, we can do these in order of release I guess. We have Wolverine Origins, or X-Men Origins Wolverine. And this movie was not the best. I'd say of the standalone Wolverine movies, this one is probably the weakest. Alright, got the digital code for that one right here. Yep. Set that off to the side. And in here it looks like we got Blu-ray and DVD of the Origins Wolverine. And it's kind of cool, it's got his claws on each of these. DVD has more of a different finish, it's kind of weird. Alright, next up in chronological order we got the Wolverine. Got the digital code for the Wolverine. And inside, looks like we just get the Blu-ray for this one, which I'm okay with because it comes with the digital. It's kind of cool. It's got his Wolverine claws, like the silhouette of them there. Set that off to the side. And last but not least, one of the best X-Men movies, of course, would be Deadpool. Alright, and in here, got our final digital code, and we got the DVD and Blu-ray of Deadpool. So, I'm going to bring everything on here for final shot. That is about it for today. Just this simple X-Men 9-movie collection. Highly recommend this. I found it on Amazon for only $40 plus shipping. So definitely a good buy considering you get all of these movies for that price. And if you don't own any of the X-Men movies, this would definitely be the way to go, because it'll set you up pretty much with almost all of them except for the newest Deadpool 2 and Logan movies. So highly recommend this if you don't own any of them already. But yeah, it's gonna about wrap it up for today. Thank you all for watching, and please like this video if you found it interesting or enjoyed it, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions about this video or any of my other videos. I try to read every comment and answer as many as I can, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, that'll about wrap it up. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.